Hello, I'm Christopher, and in the next videos I will show you some solutions which you can use the SensDesk portal for. Today we will talk about a school and public buildings. Let's start by talking about this picture. As you can see, we are in a school. Here we have some classrooms, toilets, a kitchen with a dining room, and some hallways. Different values are important for different areas. We will start with the dining room and vibration detectors. The vibration detectors are in place because we have a sports area around the whole school, so we will be notified if anything hits the windows. Oh great, we can see that one window has been smashed with a football, so we have one alarm here. Damn kids. The next place is the kitchen. Did you eat in the school cafeteria as a child? I think it is the same for all countries. Some people love it, some people hate it, and some people ate at home. But it is very important and necessary to know that we have a good temperature in the fridges for our food. Regulations are especially strict with food products, as you probably know by now. Thanks to our devices and sensors, and through the SensDesk portal, we can see that in one fridge we have an alert because the temperature is not in range, so we need to check on this straight away. The next place in our school that we need to monitor is the hallways. We want to check for motion and if we have a fire. Another good thing with the smoke detectors is that you can see if the students are smoking. These are obviously very good students because we have no alarms here. Okay, let's go to class. Are you in a nostalgic mood too? I always sat at the back. Okay, so what are we measuring here? As you can see, we monitor smoke through the smoke detector, vibration in the windows with the vibration detector, and finally the air quality, as this is a main concern at the moment in classes, schools, and so on. This is the reason why we monitor CO2 values in classes. People from the school and parents need to be sure that the children can concentrate and be safe. Thanks to our devices and sensors, and through the SensDesk portal, we can see that in one class we have an alert because the CO2 sensor is not in range. The children don't want to sleep because the subject is boring, but because they have bad air in the class. This is something really serious, and thank God we know about it so we can fix it. The last two rooms are the toilets. In the toilet, we monitor the smoke and water leak detection. The good thing is that nobody is smoking in the toilets. The bad thing is that someone forgot to turn off the water in the ladies' room, and we have a swimming pool in there. Time to send the janitor there to turn off the water and clean it up. Do you know all the SensDesk portal features? You can see it here, or you can visit the SensDesk portal and try out a demo account. Thank you for your attention, and I look forward to seeing you in the next videos.